okay?
Yeah, no.
Need a kiss? It's called breakdancing, but it doesn't mean to break your head. Maybe you should break dance on the rug, where it's softer.
No, because you're supposed to dance on hard wooden floors.
Oh, so maybe inside then?
Yeah.
Can you dance, Edison? Can you dance? Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, that's the way Edison dances. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Break it down. Are you dancing? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Break it down. That's right. Without music, too. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I see. Dun, dun,
Right there. Chalk on your boot.
I see what you've done. Bite face. Don't do the bottom. I'm going to walk in the house with these.
I'm decorating your shoes.
Okay, that's enough decorating. Ah! Stop decorating my shoe. Decorate your own. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. That's right. Get down. Go, Eddie. Uh-uh. What are you doing?
Decorating my shoe. Yeah.
Let's see you, long hair, bite face.
There. Decorating my shoe. Look it.
I see. So beautiful. Like you.